Bucket lifts and dozens of construction workers are busy breathing new life into this piece of land at Space Florida's launch and landing facility. This 100,000 square foot building will soon become home to Amazon's new satellite processing facility. The retail giant is investing $120 million into the site, which will conduct the final processing of the satellites for its broadband internet constellation called Project Kuiper. All told, Amazon plans to launch 3,236 satellites into low Earth orbit. During the announcement at the construction site, Brian Huseman, the Vice President of Public Policy and Community Engagement for Amazon, said there was a big reason why they chose this site to set up shop.
The proximity to the launch providers and to the launch sites. We can do everything very quickly and easily here at the Space Florida site.
Those launch providers include another venture from billionaire Jeff Bezos in Blue Origin with its New Glenn rocket. It will launch between 12 and 15 Kuiper missions. Meanwhile, United Launch Alliance will send up a total of 47 batches of satellites. 38 of those will be on its Vulcan Centaur rocket.
We have engine ignition.
But the first sets will use the Atlas V as their ride to space. Despite some delays with the first Vulcan launch, Amazon says they are still planning to launch its first two production satellites on Vulcan's first certification mission. The booster for that launch is currently being staged at ULA's Horizontal Integration Facility at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station. It's just down the road from Space Launch Complex 41, where ULA will launch it sometime in the fourth quarter of 2023. Renderings from Amazon give an idea of what its satellite processing facility will eventually look like. Construction crews broke ground back in January, and they expect to complete the work by the end of 2024, with operations beginning in 2025. Taking a step back in time, what is now the launch and landing facility overseen by Space Florida was formerly the Shuttle Landing Facility, welcoming home crews aboard dozens of space shuttle missions. Finding a new way to use this part of the Kennedy Space Center has been a priority for a long time.
We've been looking forward to having someone big come out and operate out at the formerly the Shuttle Landing Facility for more than a decade. So this is the first one, and we're super excited to be able to welcome Amazon Kuiper here.
Space Florida's president and CEO Frank DeBillo describes the $120 million investment as the latest chapter in evolving Florida from a culture of launch only into one of manufacturing as well.
The continued growth of the satellite industry here will also encourage the development of specialized training programs, further enhancing the state's pool of skilled talent and fostering a long-term basis for economic growth.
Stephen Mateer is overseeing the production of Project Kuiper satellites for Amazon. He says, so far, so good. In fact, the first two prototype satellites were shipped to Florida earlier this year.
We've done engineering models, we've done non-flyable builds, and we've got the prototype flights ready to go. And we have a production design too, and each one of those we've learned more and improved the process of taking account new inventions that we've had or new innovation we've had, and our production design has got all the latest and greatest on it.
But Amazon is entering a competitive field in the satellite internet game. OneWeb completed its 616 Generation 1 satellite constellation earlier this year, and SpaceX continues to launch its Starlink satellites. In fact, it's already launched 26 dedicated Starlink missions this year alone. But with more than $10 billion being invested into Project Kuiper, Mateer says that the Amazon team is all in.
I'll tell you, it's going to be extremely competitive service we'll have.
For Spaceflight Now, I'm Will Robinson Smith.